Once again, Saturday, June 8th, 7:30 a.m. Cincinnati Corbin sub. Got the 542 manifest coming out of Norcross, Georgia on his way to Cincinnati. We're at the 33.5 mile marker, and here he comes. Like 3 locomotives. Four locomotives. Cross ties. Beat up gondolas. I don't expect to see a DPU. Time will tell. Cool breeze coming off of here. Here comes the end. Orange juice. There it is. Yeah. We have an audience. Well, come here, little puppy dog. You gonna say hi? Well, come here. Say hi. Carter. Carter, look up. He's not cooperating. All right, thanks.